Welcome back to Q12 TMT. In this video, we'll show you how to use the dashboard to monitor ongoing test activities and how to create test reports to document progress and formally complete a test phase. The dashboard in Q12 TMT gives you a compact overview of your current test activities across projects and in real time. It shows how many test cases are currently in execution, already completed, or still untested, the progress of individual test runs, as well as the number and severity of reported defects. What's especially important, the dashboard always reflects the latest version of all selected projects and sub-projects. Each user can adjust their selection individually at any time. This makes the dashboard the ideal tool for anyone managing multiple projects, releases, or teams simultaneously. In addition to the dashboard, Q12 TMT lets you generate test reports for individual test runs at any time, either as a progress report or as a final report at the end of a test cycle. To do so, select the desired test run and simply click to create the report. The report includes general information about the test run, such as description and status, a graphical overview of the test results for all included test cases, a list of all documented defects, including direct links to the connected ticket system, and a complete listing of all test cases, including title, test result, and any linked defects. With minimal effort, you'll get a complete report that can be immediately shared as a PDF. You now know how to use the dashboard to stay on top of your current testing progress and how to create test reports to document progress or formally close out a test phase. In the next video, we'll look at extended test management features, specifically versioning and release planning. Good luck and see you soon.